Hi, I'm Brian Posey. I'm the team leader for the annual conference mission program, Community Cans and Kits. And I'm here today to just share with you a little bit more about what we are doing and what that means.
When all 1,000 churches from the Virginia Annual Conference are united as one, we can make a tremendous impact. Our unified effort of collecting cans and kits to share with our communities will enable our ability to be a blessing to the world around us. So we invite every United Methodist Church in the Virginia Conference to collect cans and assemble hygiene and school kits prior to annual conference. The kits can be modified versions of the UMCOR hygiene and school kits. We are using the UMCOR kit model as a starting point, but we also want the kits to help meet the local needs in the communities that each district and ministry partner serves. So for this year, there is some flexibility in what can go in the kits. However, the kit contents will be determined by each district mission coordinator and planning team, and that information will be shared on each district. We are also collecting cans and dry food, which will be sent directly to the food banks and food pantries in your area. Every district has a different ministry or ministries that they are supporting. For more details about the list of items that are collected and whom we are benefiting, we ask you to get in contact with your district mission coordinator, which can be found on www.vaumc.org/kits. We will collect all items on June 19th starting at 2:00 p.m. to 4 p.m. We ask for a representative of each church to gather all the collected goods to drop it off at the district collection site on this date. All 16 districts have their designated sites, so check the website and join us and see how we together can serve our neighbors throughout the Commonwealth. And remember, when we are united as one, we can be a bigger blessing.